There she is, Santa. Her nest must be close. Hey, look, Santa. There on the ledge, eagle feathers. Wow, what luck.
No, Alvin. The moat said the feathers must be from the nest. And when you're told by the elders to do something, you must do exactly as you're told. Do not take shortcuts. Oh, there on the cliff. Hold the reins, Alvin. We have no place to land. Going to need to do this the hard way. Take 'em down, Alvin, and turn right hard.
Wow, Santa, that was
Ho,
close.
ho, ho, ho. I knew you had it in you, Alvin. I have faith in you, my boy.